Okay, so today's Super Bowl, I'm going to make some nachos. This is what you do first. Take lettuce and fill the bowl. I'm making double. And as you're doing that, you're cooking the ground beef. Cut up an onion. Dice up a tomato. Okay, then I'm going to add about 1/4. Okay, I could do the taco gluten-free taco seasoning to the ground beef. Okay, and I'm going to add jalapenos. I chopped a couple of them up. I put it in with the taco seasoning. I'll add a little water. Let that simmer for a little longer. Okay, and then I put cream cheese in the containers. I'm going to add a little bit of the jalapeno juice to it and mix it around for both. And then I'll put a couple jalapenos. I'll chop it and mix it too. Okay, so I took the cream cheese, jalapeno juice, a little bit of jalapenos, and a little bit of the taco seasoning. I put it in there and mixed it all together and I put it on top. So now I'm going to cover these and put them in the fridge. And when it's time to eat the taco meat, when we're ready to eat, I will take the taco meat, heat it up again, and then put it on top of this and add some Mexican 4 cheeses and just put it on top.